guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be taking out my 2-month-old protective style. I've had this afro twist for 2 months and I'm going to be taking it out today. So I decided to come up here and show you guys how I safely take out my protective style. These are the products I'm going to be using. First, my spray, my water, then this is a conditioner. I know I told you guys I don't use conditioner to take out my protective style, but this is an old conditioner I want to get rid of, so I'm just going to use it, and it has like good sleep. That's why I'm using it. It is very thick. That's why I'm going to be using this to take out my hair. Also, I'm also going to be adding my African Pride prepoo, because I also want to get rid of this, so that's why I'm using all these products. So I've had this for 2 months, and this is what you see me looking down, looking at my mirror. Alright, I'm going to do this. So I've had this for 2 months, and this is the results and the overgrowth. This is what it looks like. Look at all the new growths. This is what it looks like. All that new growth. So yeah, so today is a big day and I'm going to be taking it out. If you notice, you can see I twirled this part. This is my edges that I'm trying to recover from traction alopecia. So like what I normally do when I do a protective style, I just twirl that place to leave it alone, and it has grown, as you can see. Before it was bald, now it has grown. So without much ado, let's just get right into the video. So I'm starting by just damping my hair. Nothing serious. So after that, you want to work in sections. So I'm going to be starting with this side of my hair. So because I want to work in sections and make it less tedious, I'm going to section my hair into I'll do this first and then continue. Sorry, I have cough, excuse me. So this is what this part looks like. I'm going to spray, and then I start with the first one. I'm going to use my conditioner first, then after that I'll move to my aloe prepoo. So this is just going to add sleep to my hair. Starting from this was a bit too much, so I'm starting from the roots and I just spread it down. Because this is an afro kinky twist, it comes as a natural hair texture. So as much as I praise this protective style, it's light and everything, but I think just one disadvantage is that because of it has the same texture with your fussy hair, it tends to matte. So it mattes with your hair, or with itself rather, and then it's kind of, look at this, it gets a little bit hard to take out. That's why it's important for you to add a good conditioner that has a lot of sleep. So this is what I'm talking about. Although my hair is not there yet, so because I've added a conditioner, it's going to be easier. Just look at how I'm unraveling. That's what the conditioner does. It makes it easier to unravel. If not, you have to deal with matting and then you can break off your hair. So that's what it's about basically. That's why I had to use a conditioner, and I also wanted to get rid of the conditioner. So when I get to the part where the twisting stopped, I'm going to use a rat tail comb. This one, that was my real accent. I'm going to use a rat tail comb, this one, to just gently separate. This is my hair right here. Where's my hair? This is my hair. So I'm just going to use a rat tail comb. You have to be very, very gentle when you're doing this. You don't want to be rough because this is also my edges. So I'm just going to take my time, add more conditioner if I need to. I feel like that part is getting rough. Just gently, you have to be so gentle. This is going to take hours, so you have to be gentle. Voila, my hair safe and home. So you gently separate. You know, you usually get like clogs as a result of your edge control conditioner spray moisturizing. You usually get like clogs of dirt at the tip or at the root rather. So you also have to be gentle. Just separate them with your hand to get rid of the shed hair. And then this is all the shed hair from this one section. I'm going to just place it aside so that by the end of the video I'll show you guys the amount of shed hair I got. So I think I'm safe now. I'm done with this particular twisting. And please don't do this when you're angry. You will destroy your hair if you do this when you're angry. So on to the next. I'm going to show you guys the same process. I don't like to like put a lot of conditioner at this part because it's a waste of conditioner, so I just kind of rough with that area, and then So guys, I'm done with this half of my hair and this is what it looks like. I have thoroughly detangled actually. I just detangled as I took out. So this is what my hair looks like right now. Just comment down below if you think my hair has grown or if you think it is still the same length as when I started this YouTube channel, but I think my hair has grown. So what I'm going to do now is to just put my hair in twists and then continue tomorrow because I'm tired. I'll just put this in twists and then continue tomorrow. So it's the next day and I'm left with 2 pieces. This hair took about 4 hours in total for me to take down. So yeah, I just said to come and show you guys how I did down these last 2 pieces. I'm using my aloe vera prepoo by African Pride to take down this part. Remember that prepoo has coconut. I just basically decided to use all of my products to just get rid of it, because I was trying to declutter. So yeah, and I also used a wide tooth comb to detangle my hair here, and then I went in with my fine tooth comb. Why it's important, if you want to use a comb to detangle, it's important that you start with a wide tooth comb and then go in with a smaller comb. If you use a smaller comb first, you tend to break your hair more. So that's basically it for this video. I'm just going to leave you guys to enjoy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.